name's Krista, and this video is a little bit different from what I have usually done. You see, I started filming on YouTube about 3 years ago, but my love for filming didn't start then.
Hi Krista, say hi. Hi.
Ever since I was little, my parents filmed every little thing that I did. From my birth, which I will not show here, me taking my first steps,
You're welcome, Krista. Yay.
and much, much more.
Uh-oh.
I am a girl. I'm gonna kiss you. I'm gonna kiss you.
Here's Krista tasting the smoothie she helped make.
Krista, you like this? Turn around, let me see you.
Yes,
It's fun, isn't
I
it?
like it.
Yeah, you like it. From infinity and beyond.
Infinity and beyond.
As you can tell, I was a pretty interesting kid. Throughout my childhood, I had a fair share of things I wanted to do. I wanted to be a singer. I wanted to act, and I even wanted to dance. I just loved being on camera. I would literally vlog the most random things, like making milk carton towers. Pretty much a vlogger since day one.
Okay, our next video is
I even vlogged the trips I went on.
on the airport going to Hawaii.
And even through my prepubescent and awkward stage, I vlogged.
Okay, vlog 2, day 2, vlog 2, starting now.
I even had a Musical.ly at one point. Throughout middle school, I was a theater kid, funny enough. Even when I wasn't vlogging, I was performing in some way.
Go.
Vlogging for me had always been a way to capture moments from people that I love.
Like on the edge of the earth. The edge of the earth.
To be honest, I don't really know why I'm making this video. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna post this. But I guess it's just so you guys get to know me better and know why I want to take vlogging and content creating more seriously. Because being in my 20s made me realize I kind of want to do more of my life. But yeah, I know I'm still a young college girl, but I really want to give content creating a shot. And even if I only end up with having 100 subscribers, or no one ends up really caring about what I have to say, even if I doubt myself or cringe at myself or whatever thing that may prevent me from doing this, nothing would be worse than regretting not trying. So if you made it this far or you watched me before this video, enjoy the ride, I guess. Because if I don't give up on myself, you'll be seeing a lot more videos from me soon. I really want to make more fashion videos soon, as well as traveling vlogs, and also maybe a move-in vlog because I'm in college and I'm moving into my dorm again soon after summer. You'll probably be seeing a lot of my friends too throughout each video that I make. So guys, please stay tuned and subscribe.